you're wasting your time. Yes, I said it. And here's why. Every single day, thousands of new traders enter the market full of hope. They watch a few YouTube videos, join random Telegram groups, throw money into trades without any real understanding. And then, when the market goes the other way, they panic. Sound familiar? Maybe you've been there too. Entering trades based on feelings, hunches, or hype. No plan, no structure, no risk management. But here's the harsh truth. Hope is not a strategy. If you want to succeed in trading, you need a system. A strategy that tells you exactly what to do and when to do it. Not based on emotions, but on logic, on analysis, on probabilities. This is what experienced traders do. They don't guess. They don't chase the market. They wait for the right setup. They manage their risk, and they stay consistent, even when it's boring. The strategy we use isn't complicated. It's built around clean price action, solid risk-reward ratios, and strict discipline. Each signal is backed by technical analysis. Each trade has a defined entry, a clear stop loss, and a realistic take profit. You're not left wondering, should I exit now? Is it too late to enter? Am I risking too much? No, everything is structured. Everything has a reason. Because in this game, consistency beats luck. Every single time. Most traders lose because they don't follow any system. They win a few trades and think they've made it, then they lose it all in one bad decision. That's not trading, that's gambling. But when you follow a strategy that works, your wins are calculated, your losses are limited, and your confidence starts to grow. The best part? You don't have to figure it all out by yourself. There are teams like ours who've already done the work, tested the methods, refined the entries, and removed the guesswork. So if you're serious about becoming a better trader, if you're tired of the emotional roller coaster, then it's time to stop wasting time on random trades and start using a strategy that actually works. Because trading should give you freedom, not stress, not confusion, not regret. You have the choice right now. Keep gambling or trade with confidence. What's it going to be?